What's going on YouTube? I'm your guy Rez and I am back again, of course, with y'all for another dope edition of Joshing Around. Let's go. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please hit that like button on this video and subscribe to the channel as well. I do a lot of dope content on a lot of my personal collection and things that I dabble myself with. So if this is your first time, I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, with that being said, let's jump into the video. Alright y'all, so I am holding in my hands right now a package that I pre-ordered about a month or two ago from a brand called Retro Kid, guys. So I found out about this brand through Chalkline, actually, which is another dope brand of apparel that I love to wear. It looks like they're friends. Chalkline and Retro Kid are good people. They know each other, and I found out about them through Chalkline. So they pretty much do a lot of like 80s, 90s nostalgia of apparel. You should definitely check them out. I will leave a link of their website and their IG handle below, so check them out. Pre-order this from their website when they announced it, because this is from one of my favorite movies of all time. And as you can see, I'm wearing a shirt that might give it away in this video, as well as the title. But I want to do an unbagging with you guys because I haven't done one in a while, and I always enjoy doing unbaggings with you guys on YouTube. So, of course, you already know, people, be careful with these. They're very sharp. We are going in. As you can see, comes with the invoice, the packing slip, which I don't need to show you guys. It's just a copy of what I ordered, and it looks like they threw in some free swag. These are dope right here. But as you can see, here's like a little card that the brand Retro Kid threw in, which is pretty dope. And then on the back, of course, you can see right there, just a little thank you. I'll read it to you guys. It says, "Thank you for your order and for supporting our small business. Childhood memories last forever. They inspire joy and nostalgia, reminding us who we were. Never forget your inner child. Celebrate your Retro Kid." Yes, no doubt. When you inbox, we hope you love your purchase. Steve and Eric. So shout outs to Steve and Eric. I'm assuming that they are the owners of the brand. But yo, real quick, they threw in these dope ass stickers right here. Yo, these are freaking fire, dude. Look at this. Look at these dope ass stickers, man. You got Frank Dukes, who is portrayed by, of course, the legendary Jean-Claude Van Damme, the muscles from Brussels, and of course the legendary Bolo Yeung, Asian bodybuilder right here, one of the greats, living legend, guys, who played Chong Li. So these are super dope, man. So I'm already excited. What I got from them, I actually ordered two things from this drop right here. I wanted to order more, but I just didn't have the dough. Not gonna lie, the price was a little high, but you know, it didn't stop me from getting some apparel from this drop, because you know I had to do it. So oh my goodness. So yo, fire. Let me focus on this one first. You already know, people, look at this dope ass design right here from the movie Bloodsport that came out in the 80s. And you got this iconic image right here of Jean-Claude Frank Dukes doing the infamous kick on Chong Li right there. And this is just such a dope shirt, man. It's just a plain t-shirt, you know, no design on the back, but it's got a really dope graphic. Cotton, 100% cotton. You guys are curious to see that tag of where it was manufactured and the washing instructions. The print is dope, man. Really nice print onto the t-shirt, and you have the Bloodsport wood marking, similar to the shirt that I'm wearing, but he's doing a different, you know, fighting sequence with young man Bolo Yeung right there. But yo, this one is super dope. I like this one because it looks very similar to the movie poster. Sorry, I was like blanking out for a second, but I like also how it's black and white, you know, really retro vibe right here. But yo, you already know me, man. I'm decked out in my Bloodsport apparel, man. I can't get enough of Bloodsport apparel. I feel like they don't make enough Bloodsport apparel, to be honest with you. So I'm glad that there are brands out there that are now starting to pay homage to this iconic movie. If you guys have not seen Bloodsport, y'all don't know what you're missing. Go on YouTube, go on Netflix or whatever, search it up, because you could watch it for free, because it's such an old movie, but it's so iconic, man. And yeah, this is a dope shirt. That's the first item that I want to share with you guys. This one right here was real dope, guys. I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. I don't wear this kind of style too often, so I kind of, you know, wanted to take a leap of faith and kind of get a little different outfit, you know, styles for me, because I'll share with you guys in just a moment. But this is a long sleeve, guys. I typically do not wear long sleeve shirts. All right, so the front of this, you can see right there, you have the Bloodsport printed on the upper chest portion of the front of the shirt, but the backing, dude. The backing of the shirt is what sold it for me. Look at this dope ass design right here, man. You have a really sick ass graphic. 3 characters, iconic characters from the film. Of course, you have Frank Dukes, Van Damme. You got Bolo Yeung, Chong Li right there with his menacing look. And then, of course, you have Jackson right here, man. Super, super dope. And then you have the Kumite on the bottom along with the Bloodsport. So, dude, this is such a dope-ass graphic, man. Oh, you know what? I forgot to also mention, you have this little tag right here, which is the Retro Kid logo, as you can see. It's a little tag that is on the bottom portion of the shirt. Oh, it's right there. Super dope. These are officially licensed, guys. It's not like you're buying some knockoff product. You know, this is really good quality. So much nostalgia surrounding this t-shirt right here. Yeah, man, I've been waiting for this for a long time. You know, I'm probably not gonna wear this one right away because it is like approaching summertime. So, you know, maybe I'll probably bust out the shirt a little more along with this one I'm wearing. But yo, I had to get this in the collection because you already know me, man. Your boy has to stay in his Bloodsport drip. And yeah, those are pretty much my 2 pickups right here that I wanted to share from you guys. Definitely check out the brand Retro Kid. Again, guys, they are Canada based, if I'm not mistaken. This package did come from Canada, so you know, there is going to be some time if you order outside of Canada, but you know, nonetheless, the wait is worth it, man. They have some dope drip, and super kudos to them again for throwing in these 2 stickers right here. Really, really fresh. And yeah, salute to them. Follow them on IG, buy something from their website, support small business, and relive your nostalgia. All right, guys, and that's pretty much gonna do it for me. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below on this video about Bloodsport. You know, talk to me. What's your favorite movie? You know, was Bloodsport one of the films that you grew up watching like myself, or you never heard of it until now? You know, again, check out the movie, leave a like on the video, share this video, and spread the love. All right, guys, I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed that little unbagging I did with you guys, and you already know I'll see y'all guys very soon. Your boy Rez is out.